The moment when they live a new life, full of hope and purpose. The moment when they earn a living doing what they love every day. The moment when they finally dare to dream. Dream big. That is why KW is always fully charged with what they are doing every day. KW Business on Wheels, BO, spearheaded by KW Machinery, has helped a number of individuals to lead their passion by building their business on a mobile retail truck. BO has opened new avenues for individuals to start a new life by letting them continue doing what they love every day. BO unleashes dreams one thought one could never have.
这个 BO Club 呢，它是可以帮助想要创业的年轻人达成他们想要的梦想。我们会就是全程培训他们。BO 不单解决掉你们经济的状况，BO 还会给你们一个marketing 的 strategy， 然后呢会全程的一直陪伴着你们，达到你们成功。
Every success doesn't come easily. Since its inception in 2013, KW's families have gone through countless challenges, both technically and financially. At first, it was not an easy battle, but courage and resolution are the spirit and soul that keep KW Machinery strong, despite all its engineering strains. Working hand in hand, KW Machinery has learned to conquer its difficulties with the passion to help.
很多人我们帮助了他们，会例如就是讲感动啊、感恩我们啊，有我们这间公司啊，如果没有我们这间公司啊，协助他们，他们会比较辛苦创业。
我的 mission 是帮助把产品变得更好卖了，很难去 launch， 我会帮它变成很容易去 launch， 所以我们是现在可以慢慢去实行，从没有变成有了，这是我觉得还非常感恩的地方。
KW Machinery family is ready to help you to overcome most challenges together, seeing you rise and shine while running your business on wheels. Everyone from KW Machinery is just like a family member, bonding, connecting, and serving you with heart of KW Machinery. Today, we have seen them having the choice to do what they love. We have seen them growing a better life together with their families. We have seen them having more smiles on their faces. KW, cherishing your business success one vision at a time. Drive your business. Drive your dreams. Drive with KW Machinery.